Greetings, my name is James Curtis Geist. I've been a history teacher for 20 plus years. I've been writing since 2016. I love my coffee and I love my Dr. Squatch cologne. If you enjoy the stories I share, please hit like and subscribe. It's very important you do that. Today's story is coming from a robot ate my homework. And the first story is called A Gift from the Forest Gods. I love the woods. I enjoy hiking. I hate litter. Helen and I walked to the parking lot of the Wayanda State Park in New Jersey after our Eagle Rock Trail hike. Someone has dumped garbage in the woods next to the parking lot. Why would someone enjoy nature, only too lazy and uncivil and unconscious to carry their trash home? Take photographs. Leave only footprints. A homemade sign off a Whitehall, Pennsylvania country road says, "Litter bugs are trash." I grab a garbage bag from the auto, pick up the garbage, and among the trash, I find a $1 bill. It is like a gift from the forest god saying, "Go buy a drink. But please place the plastic bottle in recycling. Thanks." I listened to Rocky Mountain High by John Denver on the drive home. The second story is called Church Wall Bullet Holes, and this is circa November of 2017. Terrorist attacks and mass shootings are disrupting my consumption of the latest coverage of the alleged 2016 election interference by Russia and false memeing on the social networks such as Facebook, Instagram, and the Twitter. Gun shootings are so commonplace, do they really count for news in the United States anymore? The media covers and covers to get the gory facts and the tyranny of the urgent, revealing tidbit by tidbit each half hour, just in time for our collective memories to forget the last mass shooting or terrorist act until the next tragedy, despite the same prayers prayed in churches week after week, year after year. So, God bless you, all humans and ETs. Thank you so much for listening, and all my books are on Amazon. Thank you.